Instagram down. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So this is the question right now. I know that many of you have problems with the Instagram app. So if you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and then if you go to and type in Instagram down, and then if you go to down detector, you will see that many users reported some problems at Instagram. So these are the problems right now. This is the graphic. Most reported problems are at the app. And then if you scroll down, you will see some comments. Some are just a few seconds ago. People are talking right here because they can't talk and message in the Instagram app, as you can see. So you are not the only one who has this problem. And also, if you try to go to Twitter, and if you go to Instagram down, you will see that many people retweeted and their Instagram is not working. So you just have to wait until they fix this problem. You are not the only one who has it, so don't worry about this. And if this video was useful for you, you can like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to your questions or to your thoughts as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.